Yo, Wagwan. Welcome to Sandy and Bonez TV. I'm going to tell you no Wagwan now. A whole lot of things I talk about Popcaan from the other day. Them saying get boxed down and he can't go back at US, so I'm going to make you know Wagwan. So you just check out that intro here and make you tell you Wagwan.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka scatter.
So when you sound ready for hear Wagwan, so we are gonna start from him family them, like him cousin, him sister, and him mother, everybody. You see Popcaan is not a good youth, but you can't have a man them around you over 10 years now, your boss. And none of the man them who are party or nothing in a pro box, nothing in a yang. One at a time you see you buy some yang and you the 3 West and all kind of something, but the man them can't have nothing for sure, so yo, them usually par around Popcaan and see. You don't notice if you check him Instagram right now, nothing his sister, you know, see up on him Instagram, nothing his brother them. Squit him sister me I talk about, you see me? Everybody cut from around him. A year ago when I hear not nice at bonfire upon the man thing, enough people don't say yo, not nice enough to do them something there, but the man there around him has to say yo, the nigga don't read. You see me? So yo, everybody cut from around him. Right now them say Unruly cause box him down over the river bashment and thing when I go on and sitting. Like him no want to youth them eat food off of the river and thing. Yo, it's a grizzly beer. The whole of them youth don't enjoy to sing about Boozman, the whole of them youth they stop link with him. Everybody. Right now you can't go back at 3 West, no day. Right now if you go over 3 West and I'm saying grizzly beer, the man them over the frost. Dry out. The man them can't say yo. Them usually par with the DJ and the man them have something for sure, so yo, them usually they run a general and something. And when I talk for the youth, them at 3 West, 5 West, 5 West, 4 West, and 5 East and 2 East. The youth them usually part Poppy me I talk for. You see, all the youth them are St. Thomas too. But the youth them are keep a little party on the river. And the man forward there and try and mash up the thing. Like try him back enough people know about the river and then look something there. And the man the nigga them now in power again. Him a move like him and them not to keep no party on the river and them something. So them think they are slackness, you see me? And right now, him and them go war and him a hide it, you see it. You notice everybody that you to try this. But you still try this Jackie or them in try this everybody. I see youth like Boozman and them youth there. John was star. I youth them who I know personally, you see me? Yeah man, so Papi should not this all them youth there. Boozman brother them in this Ashman, Bully, whole of them youth there. Youth them from the man can't forward no back in a greater Popcaan and say you might hang out and none of the black there. A wife here, you see me? And the whole of the ends them usually power pan a beer, alkaline, intense, water, Movado, a beer them song them and them a play pan. Yeah, them a play cartel for you don't know them rate cartel set speed, you see me other artists, but no popping and play a 3 West nowhere around the scheme there. Yeah man, and that a go on pan what a go on, the man get boxed down from cause big up. Yeah man, so that a go on, you see me, and enough youth lose them life on Poppy same way. So yo, Poppy for go away. Big up every youth, big up every ghetto, big up every good art.
This is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe to the channel cause European for Sandy and Bonez TV. Watch out Wagwan over the world. European for Sandy and Bonez TV. Yeah, Nyaka scatter.